Hi everyone, thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. I'm here with two new kits that I just listed in my Etsy shop, so I wanted to have a very quick flip through of them. This is called Antique French wallpaper, and this is kind of shabby and grunge rural type of paper. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of fabric and I absolutely adore. And it comes in brown and this sort of blue/gray, and I think it's perfect if you want to make a cover with this, a cover for your journal, but also it could be journaled onto here, so you can leave it as a page, or you can just cut here and use it as a belly band. There are many ways you can use this. And this goes together, and this is quite like a background page. This is more brownish and this is cream, and they are absolutely great for a page actually. And these are the final pages. Both have two different shades of brown, and here you have a beautiful stripe with roses that goes perfect with this kit. Even here you can just cut this stripe and have it here. So this is one kit and it's in my Etsy, or if you prefer you can just DM me, message me, and I have my PayPal account, so you can just buy it directly from me. And if you favorite one of the kits, you have 10% off from them. And the second one is more romantic, and this is called Antique Floral. And these are stripes, beautiful stripes, a sort of bluish gray, and they are absolutely gorgeous, and they match perfectly together. I see them perfect as belly bands, so if you want you can use them as you like. And this is more floral pinkish, very big roses with also a gray background. And I've tried to use many different colors, but they all are gorgeous together. So this is more romantic and absolutely beautiful, and this is like a background that you can use with all of them. So same thing here, this is listed in my Etsy. You can just go there and have a look, and I have also other floral digital kits, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So thank you for joining me for this very quick update in my Etsy, and I'm going to make a new one, and it's going to be called Toile de Juillet. So go there and have a look. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.